In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop in FigJam. First, open your browser and head to figma.com, then sign into your account so you can access your files. Once you're in the dashboard, look for FigJam. You can start from the FigJam area or simply open one of your recent FigJam boards if you've been working on something already. Either option will take you into a whiteboard where you can work with images and other elements. On your FigJam board, select the image you want to crop. Click directly on the image so it's highlighted. When the image is selected, you'll notice a toolbar appear above the canvas or near the selection. That toolbar includes a crop option. Go ahead and click crop to enter the cropping mode. When you're inside cropping mode, you have two main ways to shape your image. The first is a custom crop. This lets you freely adjust the crop by dragging the edges or corners of the bounding box until the frame fits exactly what you want to keep. You can also click and drag the image inside the frame to reposition it, which is helpful if you want to center a subject or trim distracting edges. The second option is to use a preset aspect ratio. Aspect ratios lock the crop to a specific proportion, such as a perfect square or a widescreen rectangle, which is ideal if you're preparing content for a particular format. Choosing an aspect ratio helps keep your layout consistent across different images. If you pick a ratio and need to refine it, you can still move the image within the crop frame to get the composition just right. As you make adjustments, take a moment to check the edges and corners so you're not unintentionally cutting off important parts of your image. Zooming in or out on the board can help you see fine details or the overall composition more clearly while you crop. If you need to rethink your framing, you can keep adjusting until it looks right. When you're happy with the crop, confirm your changes by clicking the check mark in the toolbar. That applies the crop and returns you to the normal editing mode. If you decide later that you want to tweak it, just select the image again and re-enter the crop tool to adjust the framing. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to quickly and cleanly crop an image in FigJam, whether you prefer a freeform crop or a precise aspect ratio.